so remarkable. Swag is so incredible. You would think I'm a one-man fashion show. I was meant for hip-hop, I swear my name should be irrational. Plus I'm Chicago's fastest road. No squares, nuclear bomb to blow. Yeah, I know. Head on hands, but your opinion, do what you want, but you can't get my attention. I swear I'm out of this dimension. Oh, did I mention that I polish my rhymes till they glisten? So you can say that I'm out of far distance. To catch up to me, you gon' need a little Russell Simmons. This with a whole lot of fast Comcast internet, which means that I'm something you can never get, something you can never regret. Better yet, something like a fly jet. I'm in the sky, so you gon' have to see past the stars.